Hello students, I am back again for class 9. We will do today maths chapter lines and angles, where we will see the exercise 6.1 question number 6 and exercise 6.2 question number 1 and 2. So let's begin. Hello students, so now we will be doing exercise 6.1 question number 6. So if you see in the question here in the textbook, it is given that XYZ is 64. So this angle is how much? 64 it has given, and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. So I have drawn it. If ray YQ, so this is the ray YQ, bisects angle ZYP. So this ray YQ is bisecting which angle? ZYP. So bisect, you know already that bisect means two equal section. Okay, or you can say two equal, bi means two and sect means section. So two equal parts. So here we are getting two equal angles, this one and this one. Okay, so what we need to find out? We need to find out angle XYQ, XYQ, this whole angle we need to find out. XYQ equal to how much we need to find out? XYQ, that we need to find out. Then after which angle we need? Reflex angle QYP. So reflex angle QYP means, if you see the diagram here, where is angle QYP? This is QYP. So back part of this angle QYP will be our reflex angle QYP. Okay, so now we will start our solution here. So we will take this one XP as a line, and we know already that a line consists of how much angle? 180 degree. So I will start from this X, since XP is a line. So therefore what I will take, XYZ plus angle PYZ equal to how much? It will give us 180 degree. And what we need to write out? Linear pair axiom, as I have already written in my earlier video. So directly short form I have written here. So you need to write in the full form. Okay, so next step will be XYZ, we know already that it is 64 degree plus angle PYZ is equal to 180 degree. So from here we can get angle PYZ is equal to 180 minus 64. And what it is? Angle PYZ will be equal to 180 minus 64. It will be 116 degree. Okay. Now using this angle PYZ equal to 116 degree, we can find out the measurement of two angles, that is this one PYQ and ZYQ. These two angles are inside angle PYZ, and as we know already that YQ is bisecting this angle PYZ. So that means bisecting means it is making two equal angles. Okay, so this whole angle, if it is 116 degree, so if it is two angles is equal to each other, so that means we can divide 116 by in a two equal parts. So therefore what we can write here, angle PYQ is equal to angle ZYQ. It will be 116 divided by 2, and it will give us 21, 25 and 8, 58 degree. So that means each angle is 58 degree. This one is also 58 degree. So now if I move towards the finding portion, that is angle XYQ. So XYQ, what it will be? If I add this 64 degree plus 58 degree, we can get XYQ. So therefore angle XYQ will be equal to 64 degree plus 58 degree. So how much it will be? It will be 122 degree. So last is reflex angle QYP, that will be 360 degree minus 58 degree will be equal to 302 degree. As you already know, in earlier questions also we have done full angle is 360 degree and angle QYP is 58 degree. So subtracting, we are getting 302 degree. Okay. Hello students, we will do exercise 6.3 question number 1. Okay, so in this question, if you see in the book, so we have to show that AB is parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD we have to show. This is the diagram given in the textbook in the question. So before showing this solution, we need to show some of the properties. Okay, we have to understand some of the properties of the parallel lines. So in parallel lines, what happens here? Alternate angles. So this angle and this angle is equal in parallel lines. Okay, and corresponding angles, this angle and this angle will be equal. This angle and this angle will be equal. Okay, there are lots of things here in the property of the parallel lines. For the basic, for this question, we need to understand that if parallel line is there, then their alternate angles are equal. Okay, if you see the alternate angles, x and y will be equal, and then after this angle will be equal to this angle. These are the alternate angles. Okay, then after, in parallel lines, corresponding angles, this one and this one will be equal. This angle and this angle will be equal. Okay, so if it is not parallel, so if we find out that these two angles are equal, that means they are alternate angles, and if they are equal, then we can show that they are parallel lines. Not only in the case of alternate angles, but also in the case of corresponding angles. If I show that this angle and this angle is equal, then we can write directly that the lines are parallel. Okay, so now also we need to find out the value of x and y, angle x, this one and this one. Okay, so now we will start by the given parts, that is, this one is 50 degree and this angle is 130 degree. Okay, so as you know that already in the beginning of this chapter, I have told you that if two lines intersect each other, then their vertical angles, angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 and angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. So here also, if you see here, these are two lines and they are intersecting each other. So this angle 130 degree and this one y will be equal. Okay, so directly I can write here y will be equal to 130 degree. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angle. Okay, in a very short form, we will try to show the solution. Okay, now this one is given 50 degree and here it is x. Okay, we need to find out the value of x. So if you see line MN or NM, so this is a line, and in this line there are two adjacent angles, this one and this one, and they both will make how much angle? They will make 180 degree. Okay, so if adjacent angles are there, so these two angles will make how much? 180 degree. So by this property, we will start this one. Also 50 degree plus x will be equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair axiom. Okay, so from here we can find out the value of x, 180 minus 50 degree, and we are getting x is 130 degree. Okay, so if you compare the result of x and y, they both are equal. X is equal to y is how much? 130 degree. And if I compare the result from the diagram here, so this x and y are alternate angles. Okay, so here what I can write here, but they are alternate angles. Okay, alternate interior angles. So here I can use one word here, alternate interior angle, because there are also another part, that is alternate exterior angle. So I have to write here they are the interiors of the inside the lines, so that's why it is become alternate interior angles. So now if they are alternate angles and they are equal, then directly we can write that AB is parallel to CD. So this is our solution for question number 1. Students, now we will be doing question number 2 of exercise 6.2. Okay, so first we will write the given part here. What is given? AB is parallel to CD, and then after CD is parallel to EF. Okay, so from both these things we can write AB will be parallel to EF. Why it is happening? So here one axiom is there that lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Okay, so if you see the given part here, AB was parallel to CD, and then after again CD was parallel to EF. So this is the common line that is parallel to both the lines. So that's why AB will also become parallel with EF. Okay, so from these things we can use from AB parallel to EF, I can write X is equal to angle Z. Why? They are alternate interior angles. Okay, this we can write as 1. Next, also it is given that in the question that Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7. Okay, so Y is to Z is equal to 3 is to 7. So here we have got X is equal to Z. So in place of Z I can write X. So it is giving us Y is to X is also 3 is to 7. Now we will use the property that angles in the same side of transversal in parallel lines are supplementary. Okay, so these are the two angles that are inside the same side of the transversal. This is the transversal, L is the transversal, and AB and EF is the parallel lines. Okay, and you can see if X and Y are taken, so AB and CD was already given, they are parallel. Okay, so we can say that X plus Y will give us supplementary angle. So supplementary means it will become X plus Y will give us 180 degree. So here we have already got the ratio Y is to X is 3 is to 7. So what we can write, 7X plus 3X equal to 180 degree. Always whenever ratio is given, so directly use that ratio in the solution as multiplying with X. Okay, or you can use any variable there. So I'm using this one as 3X and this one as 7X. Okay, so both after adding it will give us 10X equal to 180 degree. Then after X will be equal to 180 divided by 10. So our X value is 18 degree. Okay, so now we need to find out angle X, this one. So X we have already got 18 degree. So here what we can use here, what was X? It was 7X we have taken. Okay, so therefore X is equal to 7X. So 7 into 18, it will give us how much? 126 degree. Okay, so here one different thing happens here. Okay, same thing is coming here. X is also here and X is also here. So we need to use this one as a different variable we have to use while using the ratio. Okay, so I can use here 7p and 3p. Okay, so it will give us 10p. Then after p will be equal to how much? 18 degree. So X is already I have taken 7p. Okay, X is 7p I have taken. So 7p what we have got P 18, so 7 into 18 is 126 degree. Or you can use the other thing I'm here writing here. So first you can add the ratio. Okay, adding the ratio. So what are the ratio given here? 3:7. So I'm adding that one, equal to 10. Now we know that x plus y equal to 180 degree. Already I have written the property here why it is 180 degree. X plus y equal to 180 degree. So here what we can write here, x is equal to 7 by 10 into 180 degree. Okay, total was 10. So 7 by 10 equal to into 180 degree. So it will give us 126 degree. So by this method also you can find out, or you can use this method. Okay, any method you can use. Okay, I hope you have understand this one. So we will meet again in the another video where different solutions will be there from exercise 6.2. So till then, take care and thank you.